Welcome. Today we are going to create a cover for Audible, for an Audible book. So I'm showing you my bestseller, Green Tara, A Wishes Fulfilled Journey. I designed this myself. I used a green background, the pictures from public domain. I typed in the text, Green Tara, A Wishes Fulfilled Journey by Mary Reardon, and it's narrated by Denise Nardeau. There are templates you can use on Canva to do this. I haven't really used those yet. In this instance and some other instances I have. So you want to go and look at the bestsellers and what kind of covers are they using for their books. So this is my little book that is generating the most sales. And you can decide your personal preference. So we'll go into my projects now, up in the left. And we're going to see what I have in production. So this is the book that I've already created. Quantum Jumping, Unlocking Infinite Realities. It's not out yet because I just created it. And then we're just going to take a look at it. And you want to go in to edit the cover art. And you need to upload it as a JPEG, a PNG, or a TIFF file. It gives you the technical requirements, the content requirements. And see that little triangle? You don't want to put anything there because they're going to put a badge there. It's going to get covered up if you do. There's cover art resources here and content requirements. You want to look at those. And after we look at all this, we're going to go over to Canva to learn how to design our own Audible book cover art. Here we are in Canva, ready to create our cover art. Click on Create in the left side, 2400 by 2400 pixels is going to be the size that we use because we read our technical requirements. There are templates that you can use. We're in Canva Pro, but I'm going to design my own. There's a couple ways you can do that. You can go to Elements, or you can go down to Magic Media, which is what I'm going to do. And I'm typing in the title of my book, Quantum Jumping. Press Generate, and wait. You can't use these pictures alone. You have to put a title with them. I'm going to go back to my uploads and pick out a picture I already have. And then you just fill in the white space with your picture. And then you're going to type in your title. So you go up to T for. Well, first I'm going to get a square to put the title in. A little tip, a little marketing tip I read from a famous marketer. Black and white text, humans tend to buy things that are in black and white text. That's why they used to sell newspapers in black and white. So we're going to change the color as close to black as we can based on the photo colors. And get it ready for our text. I'm going to do the text in white, add a heading, type in the title, and change the color to white. You can change the font. I'm going to keep it at Canva Sans, but there's all sorts of different fonts to choose from. I'm going to make it smaller to fit into the square. Now we're going to add a subheading, the author name, and then we're going to add the narrator and a smaller body of text. And now we go up into the right-hand corner and press share, download, download again. And we'll head over to ACX to upload our cover art. Now you can see I already have my cover art, so for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to just press Edit Cover Art. After I go over and make sure everything looks good. So you're going to see a different picture here because I decided to use a different one. And you press Upload File in the yellow button. And I loaded a different one, as you can see. Then you press Save. And you wait for ACX to approve your cover art. This title is not out yet. This is a book I'm working on currently. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me in the comments. Much love, and thank you for tuning in to this tutorial.